Hey guys, hello. Good morning. Okay, what a beautiful day. Okay, today I'll be going to this to fix a. As you, I don't know whether you can hear that or not. My bike is super loud now because I I installed the full system, Aqua full system to my S1000R. Previously, it was when I fixed. And then I fixed it for a day or two. I took it off because it's too loud. So I can't bear with the noise. Okay, but now since I have a second bike, so I decided to, you know, to actually modify this bike to the max. In fact, after installing the full system, it's you see, I believe the RPM is not stable at low speed. So I'm gonna install today. I'm going to Kuala Lumpur to install this rapid bike Evo. Okay. Hopefully it brings me good results. In fact, it'll gain horsepower and smoothness of the bike. Okay, you actually alter the air fuel mixture and stuff like that. Okay, I'm not into I'm not the technical guy, so my technical know-how also kind of sucks. So um, they will do it for me, and I'll just ride the bike because I don't really know how it works. But after installing this rapid bike, okay. It's basically a piggyback that controls the air fuel mixtures and stuff like that, and you smooth up all your the whole range of the RPM, especially for this rapid bike Evo. So I'm installing this the Evo series. Okay, hopefully it bring good results, and hopefully I'll get a very smooth riding. Okay, so I'll be going now. Oh shit, it seems like gonna rain, man. Please don't. And I'll show you more video later. Okay. Wow, it's super duper loud, man. I'm so embarrassed, especially, you know, my neighbors. Oh my god, it's so loud. Okay, so. Okay guys, reaching the destination. Well, let me see. Okay, turning right here. Oh. And where is the shop? This is Shalom Stadium. Nice. Never been here, I guess. Well, where am I now? Let me see. Front, okay. Turn right. Oh, it's so hard to see under the sun. I mean, this phone holder is so damn hard to see. Turn right here. And then where is the shop? Go straight. It's on my left. Okay. Reaching my destination, but I don't know where exactly is the shop, man. Oh, it's here. Go on the back. ADV Motor Works, right? Wow, see? There's a lot of wall painting. There you are. I'm here in the ADV. Okay, guys. See you guys soon.
Installing this Rapid Bike Evo. Sorry. This is the harness. ECU original, batteries and stuff. Okay, the fuel tank has been removed and installing the harness now. This is the fuel tank. Saya first time nampak dalam. Tak pernah buka, tak pernah nampak juga kan. Nice.
Tapi lepas tu saya cakap, you datang jugalah. Saya kata,
Okay.
betul je.
So this is the Rapid Bike Evo.
TPS 100 je.
So it's still installing.
Dia beritahu betul-betul.
Okay. Hopefully you'll bring me good result, man. Nice. It's auto tuning now, auto tuning. Biasa.
Okay guys, just finished installing Rapid Bike Evo for both bikes, this S1000 and my friend's KTM's 1290 Super Adventure. Okay, so check this out. Oh, extremely loud, isn't it? Woohoo! Great. Hey guys, oh, it's too explosive, man. Oh my god, man. It's so different. Woohoo! After installing this Rapid Bike Evo, immediate, I feel the throttle is like a lot lighter, and the responsive of the throttle. Ooh. And even the exhaust node also slightly changed. It's more solid, I will say, the exhaust node. very well. I like it. So far, so good.